हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है आज की वीडियो में। आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन है 4 टू द पावर एक्स माइनस 3 टू द पावर एक्स माइनस 1/2 इज इक्वल टू 3 टू द पावर एक्स प्लस 1/2 माइनस 2 टू द पावर 2x माइनस 1 एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x। लेट्स सॉल्व द इक्वेशन। वी हैव द इक्वेशन इज 4 टू द पावर एक्स माइनस 3 टू द पावर एक्स माइनस 1/2 इज इक्वल टू 3 टू द पावर एक्स प्लस 1/2 माइनस 2 टू द पावर 2x माइनस 1। 2 वाले टर्म को हम एक साइड ले लेंगे। 4 टू द पावर एक्स ये हमारा राइट साइड से लेफ्ट में लाएंगे तो प्लस हो जाएगा 2 टू द पावर एक्स 2x माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 3 टू द पावर एक्स प्लस 1/2। ये टर्म हम राइट साइड लेके जाएंगे तो ये पॉजिटिव साइन में चला जाएगा 3 टू द पावर एक्स माइनस 1/2। वी नो दैट a to the power m divided by a to the power n, so we can write it as a to the power m minus n. Okay, base is same but the power is different, so we can write it as a to the power m minus n. Here the power in the minus sign, so here 2 to the power 2 whole square plus 2 to the power 2x divided by 2 to the power 1 is equal to same here is, and if a to the power m plus n, so we can write it as a to the power m into a to the power n. So here in the positive sign 3 to the power x into 3 to the power 1/2, and here the negative sign, so we can write it as 3 to the power x divided by 3 to the power 1/2. Okay, so here 2 to the power 2x plus 2 to the power 2x by 2. Here 3 to the power, we can take a common 3 to the power x here, so the remaining is 3 to the power 1/2 plus 1 by 3 to the power 1/2. Take 2 to the power 2x common in this side, so here remaining is 1 plus 1/2, 3 to the power x, 3 to the half, so we can write it as square root of 3. So here is square root of 3 plus 1 by square root of 3. Take LCM for these two equation. 2 to the power 2x, LCM is 2, so here 2 plus 1. Here 3 to the power x, LCM is root 3, so here is root 3 square plus 1. 2 to the power 2x, here 2 plus 1 3/2. Here 3 to the power x, here this root will cancel out from the square, so here 3 plus 1 divided by root 3. 2 to the power x, sorry it's 2x plus 3/2, sorry into 3/2 is equal to 3 to the power x into 3 plus 1 is 4 by root 3. Now take this 3 in the right side and this 4 to left side, so this will be 2 to the power 2x divided by this 2, and this 4 will be appear in the denominator, same as here is 3 to the power x divided by this 3 in the denominator 3 root 3. Okay, so here it's 2 to the power 2x 2, and we can write 4 as 2 to the power square is equal to 3 to the power x, it's 3 to the power 1, and we can write is 4 3 to the power half. So here 2 to the power 2x and 2 to the power, here power is 1, so here it will be 3, and here 3 to the power x, 3 to the power 1 plus 1/2. So according to this, a to the power m by a to the power m, we can write it as a to the power m minus n. Now here the same is 2 to the power 2x minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power x, and here is 3 to the power 1 plus 1/2, so we can write it as 3/2. Same as 2 to the power 2x minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power x minus 3/2. 2 to the power 2x minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power, if we take half common, so here it will be 2x minus of 3. So same as 2 to the power 2x minus 3 is equal to, this 3 will be under root of to the power 2x minus 3. take this 3 in the this side. 2 to the power 2x minus 3 under root of 3 to the power 2x minus 3 is equal to 1. So if the a to the power m divided by b to the power m, so we can write it as a by b to the whole power m. So we can write it as 2 to the power 2 by root 3 to the whole power 2x minus 3, and for this one we can write it as 2 to the power 2 by root 3 to the power 0. Any number to the power 0 we can write as 1. Okay, now here the base is same, 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3, but the power is different, so we can imply this above equation 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 2x is equal to 3. Now therefore x is equal to 3 by 2. This will be the answer, and also we can write x is equal to 1.5. Have a good day. Thank you.